Hello children, this is your social science teacher Jasveer Kaur ma'am. Going to teach you, revise you your chapter number 5 from geography. Right? Let us see about your map work. This is world map, and on this world map you have to see your F activity from your book. Right? This is the activity map work. Mark the following on the given world map. Any two major industrial region. Any two major industrial region. So one region we can take from India, right? On world map, it is here somewhat. As in the beginning, I told you, Chota Nagpur Plateau. This area is rich in its mineral resources, and whenever we have to set up any type of industry, we have to take availability of water, availability of raw materials, minerals, and labor, cheap labor, capital, and location wise. So this is the appropriate area. And one more, we can take measures from South Africa or from South America, that is Brazil. Brazil is one more major region of the world industrial region, world's industrial region, that is Brazil. Okay, this one black mark I have here. In India we have taken it. There are many more, that is South Africa is also there. You can take South Africa, major industrial region. So in this way, this is the answer to your this first question, that is map activity, F activity, marked here. This is, and you have to, then B is that major cotton textile manufacturing regions of Asia. Cotton textile regions of Asia. Once again we can take India here, right? From India we can take Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Maharashtra. This belt is rich in cotton and textile industries, and somewhere we can take from India's regional. Then question number 3 is there. We have to locate Osaka and Pittsburgh. Osaka, we have read in our chapter, it is here in Japan. This is North Korea, South Korea, Hokkaido, right? That here it is in the island of Japan. This is, so you have to see here somewhat is Osaka, near in the Japan. This is Japan, and in Osaka you have to take here, right? On your world map also you have to take the help. Then Pittsburgh. For Pittsburgh we have to see, go to America. Let us move from eastern side of the world to the western side of the world. That is Pittsburgh is somewhat here. This is United States of America. It's Mexico. It's Winnipeg, and here somewhat here it is Osaka, Pittsburgh. Here it is near this one Chicago or this area. Pittsburgh is somewhat near here, this one area. Okay, this one area, Pittsburgh is there. Then let us move to your next on the given map. On this given map, you have to locate the major iron ore producing areas of the world. Major iron ore producing areas of the world. For this I have marked here Brazil, USA, Pittsburgh हमने अभी किया था. Then here it's Canada, USA, Brazil in South America. Then it's South Africa, right? Then we have taken here Germany, right? And here we have taken Russia, Germany, South Africa, Brazil, USA, Canada. Then we have to take here Australia. Then we have to take here Japan. Please do take care. These maps you have to do and already I have sent its PDF also so that you can complete. Now I am going to give you a revision assignment of this chapter number 5, that is industries. You have to tick the correct answer in each. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? You have the options Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, and option A is correct answer. Then our second question is, which of the following industries are known as sunrise industries? Sunrise industries nowadays, they are very helpful and very working nowadays. Information technology, wellness, hospitality, all of these. So you have to give here D answer is correct, that is all of these. D is the correct answer. Yes children, my third question is, first textile mill was established in Kolkata in the year. Options are 1818, 1918, 1876, 1947. So our correct answer is A, 1818. Question number 4. It is the process in which metals are extracted from their ores by heating beyond their melting paints. So first is smelting, second importing, third exporting, fourth industrializing. So our A option is the correct answer, that is smelting. Then let us move towards the question number 5. TISCO was established in 1907 at which city? We have the options Bhilai, Sakchi, Burnpur, Durgapur. And we have here option C is the correct answer. Likewise, we have question number 6. The disaster occurred on December 1984. Bhopal, Cornwall, Chongqing, Vayu. So Bhopal gas tragedy here, this Bhopal gas tragedy happened in 1984. It is very tragic condition during that time, and I was at that time studying in my 10th class. Right? 1984, it was very tragic condition for the people. A lot of casualties and deaths were there, as we have read in chapter also. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is an industry. Which type of industry it is? Is it private, joint, public or cooperative? And it's public sector. Option B is the correct answer. Let us see question number 8. Which of the following are the major industrial regions of the world? Eastern North America, Central Europe, Eastern Asia, all of above. As we have studied in map and read that all these are there, all of above are very, very important industrial region of the world. Then my next question number 9 is there. Dash is an human made fiber. Cotton, linen, jute, polyester. Cotton we know it grows naturally. Jute also grows naturally. Then polyester, it is the mixture of cotton and somewhat synthetic fiber. That is polyester, right? Polyester is the right answer. Then my last question, is it small scale industry? It is a small scale industry. Silk weaving, heavy machinery, automobile, shipbuilding. It's very easy and clear from their names. Silk weaving is a small scale industry, rest all are the heavy industries. So in this way, dear children, I have taught you 2 maps, right? Activity number F, E, and then the revision assignment of your book workbook page number 64 and 65. Please do revision, right? For your exam also, this chapter is there in your exam also, and you have to prepare this map questions also, as I have taught you from this world map. Major industrial regions, location of Osaka, Pittsburgh, and cotton textile industry and iron ore industries. Okay, bye students, take care.